Fire can be prevented from spreading by stopping heat transfer. Ships are constructed with due consideration to fire protection, fire detection, and fire extinction. The structural arrangements and characteristics are: division of ship into main vertical zones by bulkheads that can withstand certain temperatures and structural supports. Accommodation spaces are an independent zone by itself and not part of another zone. Provision of fire detection system. Features to confine any fire breakout only to that location. Access for firefighting. Well-protected escape routes. Fire appliances readily available. Less or no possibility of ignition for a flammable cargo vapor. In addition to the constructional features for fire prevention, ships are provided with means of escape for the crew during a fire. Some of these features include: all stairways and ladders must lead to the lifeboat or embarkation deck. There shall be 2 escape routes from below deck. There must be 2 escape routes from any fire zones. For corridors with only one route of escape, the length of the corridor should not be more than 13 meters, around 213 feet, if more than 36 passengers. The length of the corridor should not be more than 7 meters, or around 21 feet, if less than 36 passengers. In engine room, there should be 2 escape routes spread as widely as possible. 1 escape route leads to lifeboat or embarkation deck. Lift is not considered as an escape means. All escape stairways must be made of steel and enclosed between bulkheads of Class A divisions. In case of tankers, which carry highly flammable liquids, the oxygen content in the cargo tanks can be reduced drastically to reduce the hazard of explosion. This process is known as inerting. Inert gas has less than 8% of oxygen, and these usually come from: 1. Main or auxiliary boiler exhaust gas. 2. Independent inert gas generator. These gases must be cooled and water sprayed, scrubbers, to ensure they are free from soot and sulfuric acids when they reach the cargo tanks. Entries into tanks are dangerous because there could be lack of oxygen, presence of toxic and flammable gas, or poor physical conditions of the tanks. In order to prevent the accumulation of flammable vapors and ensure the air inside a tank is breathable, venting is carried out. Venting is normally carried out naturally or by mechanical fans. An example of natural venting in a discharged cargo tank while a ship is moving is shown in the graphic.